head towards you. There you go. You see the rotary knob, the one above it, straight ahead towards the panel. Hold that down for about a second and a half. Release.
Glide slope. Pull up. Terrain ahead. Pull up.
That's what you don't want to hear. This is
Yeah.
all based on hydraulic fluid too. You'll hear the draw. You'll see the lights dim a little bit. Go ahead and hit it.
Push it up. Yeah. Okay, now watch down here.
You see the lights dim?
That's the APU starting up.
So you just started the auxiliary power unit.
So watch it, it's going to wind up, and then it's going to let us know after it's started when it's available for us to use it.
That's cool. I thought you turned on the APU before the flight. I didn't know you turned it on before, like right before.
Well, we're on ground power right now, so within...
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So,
We'll be closing the doors shortly, so please stow all carry-on items, take your seats and buckle up. Smaller bags and personal items should go under the seat in front of you, and larger bags should go in the overhead bins. Small electronics may be held, placed in your pocket or put in the seat back pocket in front of you, but cellular service must be turned off before you take off.
yeah, just
Push
press
it.
it up. Yeah.
There you go. And then
And now
you'll hear
you're going to hear the air conditioning come on here in a minute. You're going to hear the rush of air, and you'll hear the whining from the outside here.